Welcome back to another video. Today we got a coupon video, as you guys could see from the thumbnail or the first picture you see in the video. We do have a 25% off coupon. As you can see, coupon says it ends Sunday, July 21st, 2019. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, coupons, and any other deals that I could find for you guys. So yeah, 25% off. Says valid Thursday, July 18th through Sunday, July 21st. I'll see if I can, because they usually send an email for this type of coupon. Sometimes I don't get it. It's just weird how some people get it, some people don't. But I just this coupon was going around in the Facebook groups and all the social media, so I just decided to put it on. As you guys could see, so we're reading the coupon here. Ends Sunday, so it will end on Sunday the 21st, 2019, and it is 25% off. Pretty much just like your standard 20% off, but this is 25%. If you guys have want to get some ideas on what to buy with this 25% off coupon, I do have a couple videos you guys could watch. I'll see if I can link them up above here, or I'll see if I can link them up above or in the description section of this video. Alright, it says valid Thursday, July 18 through July 21st, 2019. Says coupon code 55093497. Yeah. So on this video, I will put more coupons out. I will put a lot of free coupons, a lot of lower cost coupons, like 99 cents, 79 cents coupons, and the big coupon you guys been asking for a lot is the tool cart coupon, the 5-drawer tool cart. So that's a coupon for $169.99. So that is on this video too. So feel free to take a screenshot and use all these coupons for your convenience. So anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and enjoy these coupons. Thank you for watching.